5-star kitchen, and we're going to take a 5-star chef and put that chef into a home. You like the idea? This is our little bit of reality television, and for that we have two wonderful women over here. Hello, this is Ibtisam, correct?
Yes.
It's a very, very exotic name, so I may get it wrong.
No, you got it right.
Correct? Okay. And hi, Rochelle. Rochelle.
Yes.
Rochelle. Now, Rochelle is with Le Royal Meridian in Mumbai. She's a chef, and she's very good, I believe. You're a great chef.
Thank you.
Yeah? You're quite a good cook, I believe.
I enjoyed it.
Modesty, modest. Now, we're going to find out how it's going to work when you swap places. Are you excited about this?
I'm nervous.
Okay.
I am nervous.
And do you cook at home?
Yes, I do.
And you're used to cooking at
Yeah,
home?
I am used to. I'm looking forward to this, but I'm not quite sure how it's going to be.
Because it's not going to be your
Yeah,
kitchen.
exactly.
It's somebody else's
That's
kitchen.
true.
You're going to spend a day in somebody else's home.
That is right.
Cooking that too. Oh God. So okay, let's get ready for this. And I am going to be sitting with two monitors in front of me, and I'm going to be watching every movement, every moment of what is going to happen in both your respective kitchens. Excited?
Completely.
Are you guys ready? Let's go and let's swap places.
I'm quite excited about this challenge because it will be quite an experience to work in a 5-star hotel with, orders coming in from what I understand. And I'm also a bit nervous because it's just going to be a very different experience. I've never done this before.
Well, when I just got the challenge, I thought it would be a piece of cake, but it wasn't that simple at the end of the day.
Okay, so I've got to wear this outfit now and I'll be ready.
Welcome to Le Royal Meridian. This is our main kitchen. We will be spending the entire day here. We have Chef Nandan to assist you.
Hi,
Take
I'm
you
Chef
during
Nandan.
the a la carte and wish you all the best.
Thank you, Alvin.
And where we are standing now, this is basically the Indian kitchen. And this is the preparation area for them. They are making here all the mizapla, cutting everything. Okay, and the last plating over here. Okay.
So the final dish has to be prepared.
They are prepared here. Okay, and this is the main tawa, we call it the griller. Then we are entering now to the continental section. Okay, this is the main preparation area. And this is our oil. We are making the French fries, all the frying items in here. And this is the mizapla area and dish out area as well. And this is our combi oven. This is a very multi preparation oven. So here we can do roasting, steaming, steam roast, different kind of cooking you can do in this. So welcome to the kitchen now. Okay.
Look at the program. Oh, hello. Hi.
I'm Rochelle.
Hi, Rochelle. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Good to see
Hi,
you. This is
Shazia.
my daughter, Shazia.
Hi. So you do know I'll be cooking at your place today?
Yes, I know.
Yeah, and your wife is at the hotel.
That is
and she'll be
correct.
doing my job today. So I'm going to make you something really special. And I just hope you like it.
Well, we look forward to it, don't we, Shazia?
Okay, so both of them are at it. I am sitting like Ajit out of a very bad Hindi film with two monitors in front of me, and I am going to observe them in anonymity. Let's see what they're up to, and let's see how bad this is going to be.
Hello, Conti. There is a new order for nasi goreng.
Am I supposed to do it? Yeah. The first order was the sort of really nervous one because Narsi Goreng I wasn't very sure of. I've heard of the dish. I don't recall eating it. If I recollect right, I think Narsi Goreng has rice and egg and it's like something like fried rice with some egg strips on the top with some chicken satay and I think that's my memory of it. Okay,
Come on, fast move.
let's go. All this just for one dish?
Yeah.
We have some vegetables in the fridge today. I think we just go for a Thai curry. And I see some pasta around. Maybe we can make a pasta with tomato sauce to surprise the little girl.
I'm a bit clueless as to how to exactly go about making narsi goreng. How much time do we have?
We have only 7 minutes to discard this order.
In 7 minutes?
Yeah,
But the chicken will not cook in 7 minutes.
it will cook.
Are you sure? Oh my God.
Chalo, let's
But the
start.
chicken will never cook in 5 minutes.
It will cook.
We'll be serving them raw chicken.
No, no, no.
7 minutes for a nasi goreng. Ever done it before in that time? Let's see what she's going to do.
Oil please. I have a very health conscious husband. I don't put too much oil.
It's extra virgin olive oil.
Okay,
Then,
now
Yeah, I put 5 pieces in this.
it's not going to cook. 5 minutes is not going to cook.
Careful. Keep it, leave it.
Flame is high.
Flame is high, it's going to burn.
Come on, this pan. Can you provide her a bladder, please? Any spoon?
Okay, I'm really not used to this. It's far too hot in this kitchen, and I'm very worried about serving them burnt or raw food, as a matter of fact.
Put garlic in there.
Woo! Okay, now what next?
Put some raw chicken in there.
All?
Yeah, no, not all. Oh, it's too much. Stir it. Yeah.
Okay, what else? Shrimp?
Yeah, put shrimps.
What about salt?
You just have 5 minutes in your hand.
You must be joking.
This is a very difficult task for me, especially with the struggle, this knife.
Okay, so there is a difference between a kitchen in a 5-star hotel and a kitchen at home. And of course, doing everything by herself. No 15 young people to help her with all the cutting, chopping and the mise en place.
What is this?
This is another chili sauce.
It's burning. Oh my god. Okay, rice please. Bus?
Yes, order is done. We have just 2 minutes in our hand.
And spring onions please.
I don't want the order get delayed.
Oh my god.
Can you please arrange your plate?
Where's the
Where
plate?
you're going to serve this on the top, please take that.
This? I'm so. Ooh! That's hot. How much more time?
Sir, we have 1 minute in your hand now.
Can we skip the omelette? Like, is that a possibility?
No, this is the part of the dish.
Chives?
Chives.
The satay. I just hope this is just artistic enough.
You need to make an omelette.
It's almost ready.
Oh, this is fun. I'm enjoying this. This sadistic pleasure I'm getting out of this.
Yeah, great. It's good.
Not fast, no. Okay, time is over now. My food is getting cold. Just go ahead and fast. Just press the sauce. Very nice, very good.
I tell you, okay, that was Narsi Goreng and